I have read all of these chapters of the documentation, and I have extracted all available methods, and all available methods just to get an overview, and this will help later to move maybe quickly on, and especially the return values, if something is found or not found, various objects or an empty array, something like this. And the other thing what I have done in preparation is I have drawn something which rages against all standards, as we are renegades, right? so I have drawn a fantasy thing which combines several modeling tool sets. So this is fantasy. It's bullshit. Yeah, it's bullshit. But it will help us to get an idea what I wanna do. In general, the Toolhouse I'm speaking all the time is selling tools, right? It's selling equipment, drilling machines, saws, and this stuff, but also material. And this Toolhouse wants to offer the customer a place to work with these tools without having to buy it. Yeah, and but the Toolhouse needs to ensure that nobody is harming himself, right? So this customer needs to be trained, and this is the thing what we are doing. Yeah. So the toolset is offering courses, and to customers, and a customer can visit their website and can find these offered tools, courses, and the customer would register himself and can then choose a course. And a customer who has chosen a course is put into a list. Yeah? A course has a start date. It takes a specific time. There is a limitation of maximum attendees, because if they want to teach, there should be enough material and enough tools available, or machines available, whatever. So, and this forms a list we will name course plan. And then on a other day, the customer comes to the location and wants to attend the course. And the employee of the Toolhouse is welcoming this customer. And he is forming out of this one here a new list, so they know which customer have attended in real. It could be that somebody has chosen a course but never appeared at the place at a specific day or whatever. And that a trainer would be also known by this system who is this trainer. And the last thing is, and then after this welcome, the trainer is performing this course, right, with the customers. And as last, we have a thing that a customer comes a few weeks later after the customer has visited the course and wants to work independently. So the employee of the Toolhouse would just check if this customer has really attended. He would also maybe check our booklet he would show. In this booklet, maybe would actually be issued on there, on here. So we would have a kind of print thing or whatever. So something like this. So this is the idea of this. And as we don't want to lose much time with form building and input validation and this stuff, because we want to work with model, right? We will use TrongateApp. It's not just a tool to get started, it's a development tool, which supports during development. Which supports during development, as this what I'm doing is development. Anyway, but so yeah, so this is to help you to understand what I want to do, and this is also to help myself to get my brain sorted. Yeah, I will pause the video and move to the next chapter and cut this movie together. Okay, cut. So let's start our editor, and I lost it. So let's write our overview thing. So we have here one thing where a customer can choose. Of course, choose here offered courses. Dear customer, choose your course you want to attend. Okay. Then the next thing is welcome customer. This is now a section for the employee. Welcome customer to course. And we will write here the dear employee, just to get later on the differentiation about welcome here pre-registered customers to today's course. Then we have this print booklet thing. Issue tools passport. Yeah. Dear employee, issue printed booklet to the customer. And then the last thing, check if trained. Register customer. No. Check customer if trained. Okay. Here employee. Check here if customer in front of who has already attended one of our courses. Okay, so this will look like now like this, right? And this will be this buttons thing. So no, as we want to speed up, right? We want to use the TrongateApp to build a few of these tables. So we will start to make these tables using the TrongateApp. We will start it. And we will modify an existing app. We will head to the document root of this thing. Okay. So courses, right? But we will use a singular. No navigation. Let's add some properties, the field of the table. So Date time take X hours. Okay, so start the date, start time, take X hours. Max attendees. Max attendees. I forgot. Subject details. Details. Image and location. It's the image. It's a file. And location, I don't know why I put it. Submit. Okay. URL column, I don't know what this is. Start date, task ending, generate module. Okay, and it has generated this. Okay, so let's make an additional one. The trainers thing, creating module. So there is a first name. There is a last name. There's an address. Okay. Okay, and that's it. First, last name, ascending. Trainers. So, course to perform, we will do by hand. Course plan, we will do by hand. And course history. You will also do by hand. I don't know how these ID things would work. I need to learn this. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so next, manage attendees. There's our dog, and I put also Claire in. Then we have a trainer, Mr. Wilson. I don't know Wilson Street. I don't know English street names or American, Brazilian, whatever. But all is located in Stuttgart. Okay. And Germania. So, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's do another. Mrs. Smith. Street 77. Stuttgart. Baden-Württemberg. Okay. No? Okay. So now we will put a course in. Start date. It's let's do it in the afternoon. It takes 3 hours. 12 attendees. I also over basics. Use file and so on. And then we'll make an image pass and then location. Oh no. What this will be used for, I don't know. So okay, good. Okay. So, and we can also view the entries here and here, and if we ask ID, then we see also this data here in. Okay. There's a comma. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. And the last thing what we would do image uploader for the courses table. Let's see how this works out. Select the module, courses, upload a type, multi-picture, okay, and generate. Okay, and then view module. Oops. So courses, view, and now we have a picture gallery. I will pause and look for a few pictures we will upload to see. But maybe before, let's see what happened here. There's a file song. Whatever this means. Assets. You see, assets, courses, pictures. Here is a folder created. And this is maybe an ID of this one. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Okay, I will pause the video and look for a few pictures for a course. URL courses for the woodwork basics. Okay, see? So I went here through Pixabay, and there is a Pixabay license, free commercial use, no source to need to be given. And I copied this on here and the URL of a few pictures. So this is one picture, this is a second, this is a third picture for the woodwork thing, and then we have something like a 3D printing thing that I have selected also 3 pictures, and these are this one here. I have put this picture out. We will upload those now into this module. We have a course woodwork, and then we will make a second entry. So let's see how this works out. Yeah. And I put this license assets on here as a file, so nobody can claim or something. But I want to say thank you to these people who have made these pictures. So we have seen here assets, courses, pictures. Courses, pictures, and this ID 1 as it seems to be. Okay, so we've seen it here. No, no, we don't need this. We need our this thing here. Yeah, we need this thing here, and we have here a course. This is woodwork basics. Okay, let's view this and then upload pictures. Let's try if this works. Drag and drop or click or browse. Okay, let's try to drag and drop. Somebody else. Sorry, only this one, and this one. This is for the woodwork. Wow, cool. So, and we have here, you see, we have here this ID, and then these pictures have occurred. Okay. Yeah, so these pictures. And there is something has been added with the name somehow. I don't know why, but okay. Okay. So, and we could now also delete those. Okay, go back. Oh, it's super. So, and it's super. So you all courses, we don't see the pictures. Okay, if you click here, we see the pictures. Okay. That's super. I have unequal sizes of. Okay, anyway. So you all courses. Okay, so the second course we will create is let's say 3D printing at 1:30. down, and it will take our, let's say 6 hours. Maximum attend is 6 people. 3D printing, basics, whatever, yeah. Learn here to create STL files using CAD program and set up a 3D printer. So, and then blah, 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 and then location. This is maybe, I don't know how this will work out and which direction we will go, you know, because we are learning to work with it. Submit. So, and now upload pictures. Let's check. And now we got a folder 2, you see. Okay, so now we will add the other 3 pictures. Okay, and then they are on here. Okay, but it's adding up something. I don't know. Only look at here. Here's a Commodore 64. Here is a Commodore 64. Okay, so I think now we have done a few things and we are ready to go to start for coding, and this will be in the next movie. I will try to cut this thing, now this movie, and put it online. See you. Thank you for your interest. Not interests. I said last time interests. I think this is another thing. Interest. Bye.